Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Accessing the path/storage/emulated/0/DCIM on your Android device is the best way to manage your photos and videos directly. This specific path is where your camera saves every picture you take. To find it, start by opening the default File Manager app on your phone. Look for a section labeled Internal Storage or Device Memory. Scroll down until you see the folder named DCIM. Inside, you will find your camera roll and screenshots. If you prefer using a computer, connect your phone with a standard USB cable. Make sure to change the USB settings on your phone to file transfer mode. Your computer will then show the phone as a drive. Open that drive and look for the DCIM folder in the main directory. This method is perfect for moving large video files to your PC. Some users prefer external apps like Files by Google for a cleaner interface. These apps often make it easier to navigate deep file paths. Always remember to grant the app permission to access your media files. If you cannot see the folder, check your settings to enable Show Hidden Files. Some versions of Android hide certain system folders by default. You can also use a cloud service to sync this folder automatically. This ensures your memories are safe even if you lose your phone. Navigating this directory gives you full control over your digital media. You can manually delete old files or organize them into subfolders. Understanding this file structure is a key skill for any power user. This simple process keeps your storage clean and your important files always completely accessible.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.